All right, let's talk about the average cost of goods calculator. I'm going to share my screen. Here's the average cost of goods calculator. This is a business building tool only. If you're trying to finish your stuff for last year, ignore this tab. If you're working on the current year, then absolutely you can use this tab. It is to help you calculate your average cost of goods based on what you are buying. So the only two things that you must have to use this particular tab is the number of items purchased, let's say 500, and the cost of inventory, we're going to call it $10,000. That means that as of right now, your average cost of goods, look up here, column G, line 1, is currently at $20 per item. So let's go make another purchase. So we went to another place and we bought 100 items for $100. Now we see that our cost of goods has dropped to $16.83. Let's say we went to the bins and we bought 400 items for $150. Our cost of goods is now 38 cents for that particular purchase, but overall we are at $10.25 per piece. If this metric fits in your business model, then you're great. If it doesn't, and this is higher than what you want it to be, for example, you've decided that your business model needs to be a $4 average cost of goods and a $20 average sale price, then you have been overspending and you need to stop it. So you need to keep going to the bins and buying solid items that fit your $20 metric and get your average sale price down. That being said, if you want to know more information about that particular sale and be better, have a better idea of what you're spending at a particular location on average per piece, then maybe you want to add in some of this other pertinent information like the month so that you can more easily sort, or the actual date, or the items purchased, or where you purchased them. But again, the only items that you absolutely need in order for this to work is the number of items purchased, the cost, and then everything else is calculated. Again, this is a business building tool. It is not needed for the IRS. They don't give a crap. This is solely to help you not overspend and be able to know what your numbers are when you are pricing your items, so you know what your bottom line is, you know what you're spending per item, so that you can buy up for some items and be great when you're buying under for other items. I hope that helps explain the average cost of goods calculator. Thank you for coming to this Cheryl Talk.